Most people believe building wealth requires making more money. But over time, consistency always beat big income. Let's break it down. Welcome. It's Wealth Building Wednesday. This is the money shift, where everyday habits shape long-term outcomes. Earlier this week, we talked about building wealth quietly. Today, we're breaking down why that approach actually works. Here's what people get wrong about money. They think, I'll save more when I earn more. Once I get ahead, I'll start. But wealth doesn't start with income. It starts with behavior. Meet Jane and John. Same city. Same income. Same expenses. The difference isn't what they earn. It's what they do consistently. John saves when it feels easy. When life gets busy, he pauses. Each year, he tells himself he'll restart. Nothing ever falls apart, but nothing compounds. Jane takes a quieter route. She saves a fixed amount regularly. Not when it feels exciting. Not when it feels comfortable. Just consistently. Consistency does three things. Removes decision fatigue. Reduces emotional spending. And gives time room to work. Big money without consistency disappears. Small money with consistency compounds. The results don't show up immediately. But over years, Jane's habits create stability, flexibility, and options. John keeps restarting. Jane keeps building. This isn't about how much you make. It's about whether your money has a system, or no system at all. This only works if it becomes automatic. On Friday, we'll break down how to turn consistency into a system. Take one idea from today. Build wealth quietly. Like the video and subscribe for more real-life money shifts.